The history of ZamZam Water. Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ was born in a family of idol worshippers. But he understood from a very young age that there is no God worthy of worship but Allah. He always obeyed Allah's commands. One day, Allah ordered him to take his wife Bibi Hajra and his son Ismail to Makkah. At the time, Makkah was only a barren land. There were no trees, water, or even people. Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ left some dates and water and prepared to leave. When Bibi Hajra realized this, she was alarmed as the land was so barren. She wondered how she and her baby Ismail ﷺ would survive. She tried to persuade Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ to change his mind, but he remained quiet. Finally, as he walked away, Bibi Hajra called out, "Did Allah send you his command to leave us here?" "Yes," answered the Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ. Bibi Hajra felt comforted. She placed her trust in Allah and said, "In that case, Allah will definitely protect and take care of us. Allah would never neglect us." Bibi Hajra suckled Ismail and survived on the dates and water left by Prophet Ibrahim ﷺ, but eventually the dates and water ran out. Soon both Bibi Hajra and Ismail were thirsty. She could not feed Ismail as she could not produce any more milk. She knew she had to go out looking for water. She left Ismail on the ground and ran between the two hills of Safa and Marwa to look for water. She ran between the two hills for 7 times. But Bibi Hajra did not find any water. And Ismail ﷺ was crying non-stop as he was hungry and thirsty. In his fretful state, Ismail was kicking the ground and suddenly Bibi Hajra noticed water flowing from the spot Ismail was kicking. Carefully, she quickly collected some water for herself and was soon able to feed Ismail ﷺ. And it has not stopped flowing since. Water is a source of life, and after Makkah had water, people began to come and live there. Soon, Makkah became an important city because people from all over came to settle there. The lesson? Always put your trust in Allah. Be confident that He will not leave us in difficulty.